What's going on, guys? I was sent this Tyrone battery charger for free so I can open it up and check it out for you and just show you what it comes with and give you first impressions. So this is the actual box it came in. Open it up. I didn't realize it came with batteries, so it does come with 4 of these. Let me make sure and tell you what batteries they come with. It's the CR123A batteries. So it comes with 4 of those. And then this is the box that has the charger in it. So we'll crack that open. So inside the box, the charger is also inside of a little plastic sleeve to keep it from getting scratched up and stuff. And then here's an up close look at the charger itself. Let me flip it. So here's the back. On the side, you can see the USB kind of tucked in there really neatly. Let me see if I can get that out of there. There we go. So I'm just using my nail to pry it out. It's actually a longer cord than I expected it to be. You see, that's pretty cool. It has this groove all the way around that it fits neatly into, which is really cool. So when you put it away, you don't have to worry about damaging your cord or having it loose so you lose your cord, which is what happens to me all the time. And then you can see it has the 4 slots here where you will put your batteries so they fit snug in there when you do need to charge them. So they go in there something like that. Once you actually open the batteries up and need to charge them. So overall, it seems like a really cool design. I'm actually really impressed, especially with the charging part, because I get impressed by details, and I think that's a really good detail thing in there. So yeah, so that's just the quick look at what you're going to be getting.